So on today's ride, I had the occasion to actually use one of these wonderful Carilion Clinic bike repair station systems that are, which I actually needed on this particular occasion. I wound up with front derailleur misadjusted by moi in my shop, thought it was fixed. And first off, I'd like to say thank you to the redesigner of this system. This is the air chuck for filling the tires, and there's the pump handle, whereas previously noted the pumps would not even reach the bike's wheel with a short little hose when it's in the handy stand there. But that has been remedied. As you can see, a nice long redesigned thing there. But what has not been redesigned, and in probably in the best possible way, is that you see this is a handy screwdriver that comes right out of that, pulls out for use. There's two things about this that are confusing. Look how fat the handle is on that. That's of a bore that is very large, and most bicycle adjustments are done in tight spots. And then the other thing is look how short that is, the end there. And so when I go to adjust in this tight spot, which I have plenty of cable to pull out and the retaining cable, and I go to adjust, I mean, it just won't fit. I need to loosen that screw and it won't happen. So in the spirit of repairing the issue that with the redesigned hose on the pump, in the spirit of that, I'd love to see a thinner, longer bladed screwdriver placed into duty here on the Carilion Care Bike Repair Station here at the water treatment plant and elsewhere. Thank you for your time.